Hey, let's go crash Growth Club and bother some entrepreneurs. Let's go. Who looks botherable? Because we're not going to go up to them. Who wants an interview? Who wants exposure? In one sentence, how would you describe your time here at Growth Club?
We love Growth Club. My husband is also my business partner, which comes with its own challenges. And so this is a really good time for us to actually reset, spend time focusing on the business and working on it instead of in it, as we so often do. Growth Club is just great to reset and start planning for the next 90 days, and especially at the end of the year, planning for next year is huge. And we don't do that like we should by ourselves, so the accountability is awesome.
I would describe my time here as Growth Club as valuable, as invigorating. Really got motivated while we were here. It's nice to hone in on things and really get a refresh on planning for this coming year and planning for the coming quarter.
I mean, where else can you get in a room with like 40, 50 different entrepreneurs that all have the same goals and dealing with the same struggles as you, and get to pick up on what they have been struggling with, some things maybe you are currently dealing with, or things that you're maybe about to encounter the next year. So just great. I mean, to be able to put yourself around those people and get the lessons that they're learning up front, I mean, invaluable.
Freeing. I am able to think about a lot of other things and dream big because all of my operational tasks have been written out and planned for.
Focus on top down rather than being in the middle.
Quick follow-up, if you don't take the time to implement your plans based on taking the time of today, what would happen to your business?
So it would be a little more chaotic because I've gone both ways. I've both followed my plan and not followed my plan, and my business runs a lot more smoothly when I actually follow the plan, and it's more profitable. Obviously, the opposite happens if I don't follow the plan.
It can make or break my entire business if I don't plan accordingly.
If I don't have a plan, I will not have a business.
If you fail to plan, you can plan to fail. Planning oftentimes gets really overlooked. So if we don't plan, we really notice a big difference in our business versus if we have goals, then we at least hit some of them, or we're really close to hitting them. And if we don't have those goals, then we are just kind of running around at whatever screams the loudest, which is a really bad way to run your business.
Of the things that you've planned today, what are you most excited to implement?
Oh, I am excited to implement the ability to enhance my client experience with my bookkeeping firm.
For me, it's my sales process. Me and my sales guy, we're both here at Growth Club and talking over our sales process, trying to expedite that to where we're not spending 15 hours to get an estimate out, and we're still serving the customer well. So we're putting in a process to hopefully use technology to cut it in half.
We've got actually a lot of big plans for our target market. So we are continually niching down. So that's our big focus right now, is just niching down even further and servicing those clients really, really well.
Generalized expansion and being able to come up with concrete standard operating procedures for all the roles in the company.
If somebody else is on the fence for next Growth Club, what would you say to them?
What are you waiting for?
Just do it.
If you're on the fence, first off, just go get coaching with Coach Joe, because it comes with it, and the coaching is worth way more than you pay. So get coaching with Coach Joe for sure.
I'd say if there's any ounce of overwhelm as a business owner and they need to have a spot to just spend some time planning out, writing out all the things that are going on inside of their minds, that this is the place for them.
Don't think about it, just go.
All right, so you've heard it from entrepreneurs, Growth Club. Do not delay. Make sure to sign up next time or something like that.